Today, we're exploring the journey of Duane Keefe D. Davis, a former South Side Compton Crips gang leader who is the only person ever charged in connection with the 1996 murder of Tupac Shakur. His story involves decades of public confessions about his role in the killing, which ultimately led to his high-profile arrest. So, where is Keefe D now? Let's find out. Duane Davis gained infamy for his self-proclaimed involvement in the drive-by shooting that killed Tupac Shakur in Las Vegas. In his 2019 tell-all memoir, Compton Street Legend, and various interviews, Davis claimed he was in the car from which the fatal shots were fired and that his nephew, Orlando "Baby" Lane Anderson, was the shooter. The shooting was allegedly retaliation for a prior fight involving Shakur, Suge Knight, and Anderson in a Las Vegas casino. For decades, the case remained unsolved until Davis's admissions and ongoing police investigations provided enough evidence for an indictment. In September 2023, Davis was arrested near his home in Henderson, Nevada, and charged with one count of murder with a deadly weapon with a gang enhancement. He pleaded not guilty and has been held without bail at the Clark County Detention Center ever since. A judge initially granted him $750,000 bail and house arrest in January 2024, but later reversed the decision due to concerns about the source of the bail funds and claims by prosecutors that Davis posed an ongoing threat and was scheming to harm witnesses. In an unrelated incident, Davis was found guilty in April 2025 of fighting another inmate in the jail and was sentenced to 16 to 40 months in prison for that conviction in September 2025, with credit for time served. Where is Keefe D now? As of now, Duane Keefe D. Davis is in custody at the Clark County Detention Center in Las Vegas, awaiting trial for Tupac Shakur's murder. His murder trial, originally scheduled for March 2025, has been repeatedly postponed and is now set to begin on the 10th of August 2026. The delay was granted to allow his new defense team time to review voluminous evidence and interview new witnesses they claim may prove he wasn't in Las Vegas at the time of the shooting. Keefe D's journey has led him from self-described gang shot caller to a man facing a life sentence in prison. His decision to speak openly about the murder may have provided closure for investigators, but his trial is still a long way off. His case remains a captivating, final chapter in the decades-old mystery of Tupac Shakur's killing. Thanks for watching the channel. If you want more episodes on people involved in high-profile cases and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.